Welcome to our reel on data import in Power BI. Today we'll explore how easy it's to bring your data to life for analysis and visualization. First, click on Get Data button in left corner. Second, you should choose the type of your file, whether your data is stored in Excel spreadsheet, CSV files, or JSON format. Power BI have got you covered. So once you're done, click Connect, then choose your file. Now you should choose your sheet, then click on Transform Data to edit your data. Once you're done editing your data, just click Close and Apply. Now your data is ready to visualization.